add money to PayPal with Apple Pay. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add money to your PayPal account with your Apple Pay. So first of all, just open your Apple Pay account, and after that, in order to add the money to your PayPal account, you need to get your Apple Pay card with you. So if you don't have the Apple Pay card with you, you can simply apply for the Apple Pay card, and after that just add some cash into your Apple card as well. And once you have some cash into your Apple card, just copy your Apple card number, the CVC code and the other details that are required to enter in your PayPal account in order to add money into your PayPal account. And once you're done copying all the credential from your Apple Pay card, just simply come to your PayPal account. Just open your PayPal account, and after that just log into your PayPal account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your PayPal account, just simply click on the three-dot menu icon from the top right hand side of the screen. And over here, you will be able to see a bunch of options. You just simply have to click on Pay and Get Paid. And over here, under the payment method section, you will be able to see the option called Money, Banks and Cards. Just simply click on Banks and Cards. And over here, you will be able to see the option called Bank Accounts and Credit and Debit Card. So in order to add money into your PayPal account using your PayPal, you need to add the Apple card number that you have just copied from your Apple Pay account. Just simply click on Link a Card. And after that, under the debit and credit card option, you need to enter your Apple card number that you have just copied from your Apple Pay account. And after that, just simply enter the card type that you are using, expiration date along with the security code as well, and also your billing address for the card that you are using. And after that, just simply click on Link Card. And once you are done linking your Apple Pay card with your PayPal account, and then you will be able to add money into your PayPal account using your Apple Pay. So this is basically how you will be able to add money to your PayPal account using your Apple Pay. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.